I happened to have to be at the hospital, Khoo Teck Puat, because my husband was ill. And I happened to meet the family of this poor darling who was lying in the ICU, and the newspapers say at best he'll be paraplegic for the rest of his life and also blind in one eye. He is only 23 years old. He's a Malaysian who works in a Woodlands sausage company, and just as he came to work, he parked his motorcycle, a tree fell on him, and he's comatose from then till now. His wife is only 23. They have a 2-year-old child, and now I'm told the wife is pregnant again. There are good Samaritans around trying to help the family, but should they wait for good Samaritans, or should our Ministry of Manpower do something about this poor guy? Our government collects millions and zillions of dollars in levy, right? But how does this levy help people, employers, and how does it help employees who are damaged? We employ millions of foreign workers. When they get sick or when they have a problem and go to hospital, our insurances only cover them for about $25,000 to $35,000. After that, what? The millions and zillions that we collect at MOM should be used to help these very unfortunate incidences so that employers don't have to feel bad because they're not unkind, but because they are poor and cannot help these people. Can the MOM please do something about this? Don't blame God. God doesn't do evil things. Your views are very welcome. Tell me about it at happytv.com/gentlewarrior. Hit the subscribe button and I will love you forever.